Hi there. Welcome to Solar Spotlight, where we invite vendors on to pitch a product or technology. Today, we're here with Fronius USA and Braulio Escobar, who's the regional sales manager. Thanks for coming on and give us your 2 to 3 minute pitch.
Yeah, of course. Thanks so much for having me, Aaron. It's always a pleasure to work with Baywa over the years. So for those that are new in Fronius, we're an Austria-based company. We have 76 years of leadership in the fields of battery charging, welding technology, and solar energy. So that means that we're among the oldest inverter brands of the industry, but we have a strong presence at a global scale. And over our tenure, we have built very reliable and trustworthy partnerships across the supply chain, which is what contributes to deliver top quality products. So when we consider reliability as our main criteria when developing new PV systems, we develop a unique approach to service. So if you're someone who wants to maximize uptime, you want to save in operating expenditures and increase customer satisfaction, you would need to have a superior service concept. So here at Fronius, we have the most responsive and knowledgeable tech support team, as well as the most robust service concept in the market to support you on the field. So when you pair easy servicing with our quality products, we deliver the highest quality and top performing products in the market.
Braulio, what's the most commonly misunderstood concept that you hear about Fronius?
That's a good question, Kate. So many times I've spoken with customers who have moved away from string inverters years ago, and for some reason they associate these with string inverters with the outdated versions of string inverters. So something that is not commonly known is that Fronius inverters actually made strides in the fields of simplifying design, the process of installation, and something rather new is also the optimization of PV systems in shaded situations. So to address PV systems in shaded conditions, we have developed a solution called Dynamic Peak Manager.
Tell us more about what it does.
Yeah, of course. So the Fronius Dynamic Peak Manager is an enhanced MPP tracking software that scans the entire IV curve when searching for the optimal maximum power point. By checking the entire characteristic curve on the regular basis, the Dynamic Peak Manager finds the global maximum power point for partially shaded arrays. So if you activate this feature where shading is moderate to heavy, you may see PV systems yielding up to an additional 15% than by not having it on. And that's a nice thing because it's optional to activate it instead of it being required for PV inverters to operate.
Tell us, when are Fronius inverters a good fit?
So I would say that our field of strength is mostly the residential and small medium commercial segments. So in the residential segment, we have the widest power class range in the residential markets. The single phase primal line ranges from 3.8 to 15 kW. And we've seen a lot of popularity for the larger residential inverters for applications such as ground mounts, large residential systems, or even commercial systems that are just rated for single phase 240 volts. Then for the three-phase solutions, the nice thing about them is that we serve pretty much any service voltage that can be found in the US. Whether a job site service voltage is 208 volts, 240 volts three-phase, or 480 volts three-phase, we have a solution for it. And so the Simul Advanced ranges from 10 kW to 24 kW, and all come with a SoundSpec transmitter embedded into the inverter to simplify compliance of the latest rapid shutdown requirements.
Braulio, thanks so much for all of this information. This has been great. We've loved learning more about Fronius. And yeah, we'll see everyone next time on Solar Spotlight.
All right, on to the next one. Thanks so much, Kate. Thanks so much, Aaron.